Hello everyone, welcome back to the second chapter of C++. In this video we are going to learn data types used in C++. So, let's start the chapter, Data Types in C++. Data type specifies type of data that a variable can store. We can simply understand it by an example. Suppose we have collection of number which does not include decimal numbers. So, here all numbers are of integer type. Thus, we can choose our data type as integer type. Other data types are integer, character, floating point, etc. Data types are of three types. 1. Basic, which are also called primitive or primary data types. 2. Derived, which are derived from basic data types. 3. User-defined, which are defined by user. We learn each of these data types one by one. So, the first one is basic data types or primitive data type. These data types are based on integer, character and floating point numbers. They are also called built-in or primary data types. Size of data types may change according to different architecture of the system. Size and range of basic data types are given below. 1. Char takes 1 byte memory and range from -128 to 127. 2. Int takes 2 byte memory and range from -32,768 to 32,767. 3. Float takes 4 byte memory. 4. Double takes 8 byte memory. 5. Void does not take memory. 6. Bool takes 2 byte memory and is either true or false. 7. wchar-t takes 2 byte memory. Now, we will see modifiers in C++. Modifiers are special words that modify the meaning of basic data types. There are 4 types of modifiers in C++. 1. Long, it modifies the maximum value of a data type. That is, it doubles the size of the data type. For example, int takes 2 bytes memory, but long int takes 4 bytes memory. It cannot be used before float data type. 2. Short, it modifies the minimum value of a data type. That is, it halves the size of the data type. For example, int takes 2 bytes memory, but short int takes 1 bytes memory. It cannot be used before float data type. 3. Signed, it includes both positive and negative numbers. 4. Unsigned, it includes only positive numbers. By default, every number in C++ is unsigned. Now we will see derived data types. Derived data types are data types which are derived from built-in data type or primary data types. For example, array, pointer, reference and function. We will learn them in details later. Now we will see user-defined data types. User-defined data types are data types which are defined by the user. For example, structure, class, enum, union, and type def. We will learn them in details later.
This is all for this video. I hope you understood each and everything. Please drop your queries in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit like button. If you want to learn more, please hit subscribe button. For now, this is Easy++, signing out.